coming back to my channel. Today what I'm doing. Before I tell you what I'm doing, hit like, hit share, share the video, subscribe, comments on the below. So today I am moving a modification to the CRV. So I already did it, so you're gonna see the video in a few moments. This is pretty. I'll show you what it is about. I'm replacing the AC console front end. That's where the radio goes in, and basically what you're seeing right here. You see how all this is crashed right there? So what I did, I went to the junkyard a couple days ago with my pops. We went to the junkyard and we got all the parts that we needed for the CRV. You see right there. So I hope you enjoy the video. Go ahead, hit like, hit share, like, subscribe, talk, and we're gonna put that on. And after the video, we're gonna see how you like it. Let's do this. Alright guys, so what we got here, we have to take this apart. All this right here got to come off. So the whole deal is gonna come off. So system in here. Do it two ways. Let me turn my AC off. Okay. gonna disconnect my camera. Okay. So I guess I cannot disconnect my camera. All right. All right, goodbye with the old. Hello with the new. So we're gonna put the thing back here. Boom. Let's get this radio installed. By the way, I wanna get new ones. It looks so low. You guys think it's not the same, but I mean, it's not a big deal, but for me it is. So, there you go. All right, guys, that looks good. All right, moment of truth.
Vuelvo y te repito, no existe crédito malo, solo gente buena en una mala situación. Llámame, 239.
Radio working. Yeah, that's working. That's working. All right, now you know how to do that installation. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully you guys hit like, hit share my videos and comment on it. It's very easy to work on it. Actually, I thought it was pretty easy than sometimes the CRXs on Integras, especially the S2. My next project, my next thing on the vehicle will be replacing the lower control arms. All the motor mounts are to be replaced. The exhaust, catback exhaust, the bottom end of the exhaust, motor switch, window switch, I haven't found one yet, oil pan gasket, and I've seen 2 speakers, something like that. And then I can drive it around safely. I'm gonna do an oil change on it. Timing belt was already done, and after I'm finished up doing all this mechanical work, then the phone can start. Like maybe airbag it, I don't know. Coil over, I don't know. I'm gonna tell you this. Later on, one of those motors is gonna be ended up on in the CRV. Just saying. Not now. Might be a year later. But that's it for today. I guess see you guys later.